Hey you guys, it's Janisha and I'm back with another video. I found myself getting bored watching my own videos. I was like, yo, I gotta do something different. I'm gonna be really busy.
Hey, Mommy.
You know, I could have fell backwards just now. You just made Mommy's knee buckle. Sorry you guys, she has not been occupied. She's been right behind me, which I don't mind.
Oh, not you.
She is so rude. If you guys are looking at the bonnet on my head and you're laughing at it, that's really rude, and let's not do that, okay? Oh! I'm trying something new with my hair. I can moisturize my hair to the fullest in the morning, and then like 5 or 6 hours later, my hair is like bone dry. I don't even have to be outside. I don't have to be moving. I don't have to be doing nothing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I didn't know if it was my products. How I was applying it, how much I was applying. What I want to do is moisturize it as much as I can, wrap it, and put something on it like this bonnet. And I'll probably end up getting a cuter one. This one makes me look like a grandma. I am just not there. I am only 25. But anyways, I am going to be cleaning. It's going to be a speed through, like I said. I'm going to try my best to get the whole house clean. That's a bold move. I'm going to be studying. I have a final exam, so I'm going to do one last run through my work so I can be fully prepared. Before I do anything though, I'm going to show y'all something. Alright you guys, what do you think? Don't be afraid to tell me what you think. Be honest. So y'all wanted to see my new car, and guess what? Y'all still haven't seen it yet. No, you guys, I know y'all saw the thumbnail, and no, that is not my new car. That is my old car, the car that I am now giving up. And I will show you why. You guys, I'm gonna miss it. I've been through a lot with that car, and I hadn't even had it for a long time. Sorry, it was some people going by. So these are actually the keys for my new car. I was just playing with y'all. Of course, that's not my new car. That's my old one. That's old Betsy. And this is for my new baby. What do y'all think? I finally got an SUV I actually wanted. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I was indecisive, but I had to make a decision. It was honestly between the Toyota RAV, or the Honda Civic, or the Mazda CX-5, because the 3 was too small and the 9 was like for a whole family, and I have one kid, you know, it's a bit much. But this is my new baby, you guys. I'm so excited. So here I'm gonna make a tea that my parents told me about that like really clears up your system and stuff. So I'm gonna make that. It has turmeric, that's ginger that I'm cutting up there, honey, of course hot water and tea, and any citrus, so either lemon or orange. So I feel pretty stupid because I spilled the tea on me and it was really hot, so I felt like crying because it burned. That has actually never happened before. You can see it's on my shirt. That actually never happened before when I shook it up, but this time it just like exploded everywhere and it got on my arms and it burned so bad. It's tragic. So I figure for day one, I'll start downstairs. So I'll do the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room, and the foyer at the entrance. So I guess I'm responsible for cooking because everybody goes to work but me. Everybody's essential but me, I guess. So I didn't really feel like making a huge meal, so I'm doing something easy. I'm gonna put chicken nuggets in the air fryer, and I'm gonna cut up some potatoes and make some fries.
What we do here is go back.
Otis. McDonald.
So she's eating some chicken nuggets. I'm probably gonna take one off, but chicken nuggets, fries, and her vitamins. I usually give her vitamins in the morning, but I forgot this morning. So you guys, really quick, in the comment section below, I want you to tell me if you think that rug right there is tan or gray. Just from the light that's on it in the video. I want you to tell me. My mom says it's gray, I say it's tan. If you guys say it's gray, I'm deleting my channel. You know, you guys, this is actually like a very fun part of being able to take her outside, watching her move around and get out of the house. It's also good for me. You know, I kind of go crazy being in the house, and since I don't go anywhere, this is best for me. And we were having fun up until we looked up and we saw that right there. Good eye, right? Time to go inside. Oh no, but wait. She wants to go back and get her ball. Wow. That's my child. She is so serious about that. It doesn't matter. It could be a tornado. She knows her ball is outside. She wants it. She don't get it, but you know.
What we do here is go back.
Otis. McDonald. Otis.
I just want to take a second to thank everyone who's watching, everyone who has subscribed to my channel, everybody who has been watching my videos, whether you watch them once or you watch them more than once. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm a very appreciative and grateful person. To be able to have this platform, to be able to do something that I love doing, something that's very therapeutic for me, it works, and I like to think that I'm motivating someone else to get up and move around, especially during times like this. I know it's crazy. That's actually why it took so long for me to record and upload something. I've just been very depressed, and I had to think to myself, this is a time where you should definitely be recording. It's therapeutic, it helps, and I promise I'll do better with keeping up with that. I do want to apologize for that time period, but I am here again. I want to thank you guys so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys will be back, so stay tuned in and enjoy the rest of the video.